Namaskaram. India hit a record 90 lakh vaccine doses on the first day of the newly revised vaccine policy that allocated 75% of the dosage capacity to the central government directly and opened up free vaccines for all above 18 years of age. It was a stupendous and spectacular achievement and a world record for the greatest number of COVID 19 vaccines administered in a single day. However, people are more than willing to cast shade and doubt the efforts as the states ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party dominated the numbers. This accusation is that there was a stockpiling of vaccines the week before and a low turnout on Sunday. While there is no doubt a slanted amount of increase due to the boostage of numbers by some states such as Madhya Pradesh, this criticism entirely missed the point. The revised policy also freed up central doses that were up until now reserved for the 45 plus age group to all, which meant that the availability of doses for those below 45 increased dramatically. It can be seen that the uptake for vaccines among 45 plus and 60 plus remained marginal, while a good 82 lakh doses were administered to those between the ages of 18 and 45 on June 21st, the day the new vaccine policy came into effect. The fact that this is not just a gimmick can also be evinced from the fact that more than 50 lakh doses were provided the next day and more than 60 lakh doses were provided the day after. A drop from the 90 lakh doses administered on June 21st, but still higher than the 32.65 lakh average the earlier week of 14th June to 20th June 2021. As for the supposedly lower turnout on Sundays, this has been entirely consistent with the theme since vaccination began in January. And it was only on 20th June 2021 that the number of vaccines administered on Sunday crossed 15 lakhs for the first time in the past few weeks. There has no doubt been a marked increase in the availability of vaccine doses across the board, as can be seen from the information made public by the Government of India. While there were 12 crore doses available in June, only 7.94 crores of doses were available in May 2021. This means that there has been a dramatic increase in the availability of vaccines. As per a press release on 20th June 2021, around 3.6 crore doses were available to the states, while only 1.72 crore doses were available to states on June 1st, 2021. Moreover, the increase in the amount of vaccinations administered is not just in the states ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party. States ruled by opposition parties such as Kerala and Odisha also witnessed a huge increase in the number of doses administered, with Kerala administering more than 2.5 lakh doses and Odisha administering more than 3 lakh doses on 21st June 2021. Both Kerala and Odisha administered more than 2 lakh doses the next day as well. West Bengal, another state which is most likely to be considered an unfriendly state to the central dispensation, still witnessed an uptake of 3.27 lakh doses being administered, the highest ever in the past few weeks, despite the state government supposedly limiting dosage to only priority groups. Administering a record number of vaccine doses as an achievement merely created by the BJP states undermines the effort taken by all citizens, regardless of political orientation, caste, creed, or any other identity other than proud Indians fighting against the deadliest pandemic in a century. Even when it comes to BJP states such as Uttar Pradesh, the accusation that vaccine stocks were built up and not administered are quite clearly wrong, as the 7-day average for vaccines administered on 7 June was 3.39 lakh and on 14 June was 3.81 lakh. Uttar Pradesh also administered 7.96 lakh doses on 22nd June compared to 7.25 lakh on 21st June. With more than 30 lakh doses available as of now, the state can surely maintain a consistent increase in the amount of vaccines administered. The accusation that stockpiling vaccines for 21st June can also be shown to be false by looking at the average number of doses that are administered in a week nationally. As stated earlier, 32.85 lakh was the average the earlier week, the week starting from 14th June and ending on 20th June, while the week preceding that, the week starting from 7th June to the week ending on 13th June, the average was 30.05 lakh. Therefore, there is a clear marked increase on a week by week basis as well. Thus, the contention that major stockpiling was done in order to boost the number of vaccinations is misleading. There has been a consistent growth in the 7-day average of vaccines administered in the country, an increase in the doses available for the 18 plus age group, production augmentation, and more vaccine candidates such as biological E vaccine in the wings. While we may not hit 90 lakhs on a single day again on June, a possible 20 to 20 crore doses available in July, as indicated by some officials, the feat can be repeated or will be repeated in July 2021. Thank you and Jai Hind.